Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and it's mainly to the west, Cleo. And again, the main concern with the storms this afternoon will be the potential for large hail up to golf ball size. And this is not going to be the threat for everyone. Most of us will go all day and not see any storms at all. But after about 4 or 5 this afternoon, we're going to see these storms popping up way to the west, anywhere between Seymour, Wichita Falls, Haskell. This is stopping the clock at 5. Between 5 and 7, these storms are going to progress towards the east, but they'll be battling the sun setting. And as the sun sets, these storms will lose their energy. So if they make it into the Metroplex or just to the north, we could be talking about a time frame of after 7 p.m. These storms will likely weaken quite a bit by then as they continue to really dissipate by the time midnight rolls around. So we're not looking at a lot of activity. Again, only about 20 to 30% coverage for us across North Texas. Right now, though, we're just dealing with the warm weather. That's something that's going to impact everyone across the region. 72 degrees. The heat index is already at 73, so that's a difference of by 1, but that's going to change for sure. And we're looking at the cloud cover across the region. 92 degrees in Dallas, Fort Worth, 91 in Denton, 92 in McKinney this afternoon. That's about 5 degrees warmer than what's considered normal this time of the year. But check out this heat index. We'll be in the triple digits across all of DFW. And to the south, already a heat advisory in place. And this is until 8. It does not include any North Texas counties, but of course, if you're heading towards the southeast, something you want to consider. Look at this. The temperature climbs even more on Sunday, a high near 98 degrees. We're also going to see a potential for some storms to the northeast. I'll show you that. But 93 on Memorial Day Monday with a northeast wind. That northeast wind is going to help dry us out just a tad. That means humidity will be lower and it'll feel at least a little bit more comfortable than Saturday and Sunday, but not by much. So the temperature, it's going to climb. 98 on Sunday. It's going to feel like 102. 93 on Monday, actually feeling like 93. And then we're talking about 87 degrees on Tuesday, 88 on Wednesday, 87 on Thursday. And by this point, as we head towards the middle part of the week, the heat index won't be as big of a factor and temperatures will be close to the normal for this time of the year. But that's also when we're introducing rain chances back into the area. Okay, so I told you about Sunday's storms. Coverage about 10%. It's not a lot, but if we see these thunderstorms develop, the biggest concern will be areas to the northeast, from Bonham, areas of Hunt County towards the northeast. A level 2 out of 5. That's a slight risk for severe weather. If these storms get going, quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts will be the main concern. The isolated tornado threat is going to be higher to the northeast of the region. So our 14-day forecast here showing what I just showed you. Warm weather throughout the weekend and the potential for storms. Again, the coverage will be higher today at about a 20 to 30%, but much lower on Sunday. No rain chances on Memorial Day Monday, slightly drier. And then we're looking at daily rain chances coming back middle parts of next week, and that'll take us through the end of the month. Cleo?
Yep.